In today's video, I will walk you through how to measure shape area using the Measuregeom tool in AutoCAD. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, make sure the area you want to measure is a polyline. Select the objects that make up the area, then type Join into the command line and press Enter to combine the connected objects into a single polyline. Once your area is a polyline, type Measuregeom or MEA into the command line and press Enter. From the available options, select Area. Next, select the Object option so you can measure the polyline directly. Click on the polyline shape you want to measure. AutoCAD will highlight the measured area and display the exact area value in the command line. If you want to record the measurement, expand the command line so the complete output is visible. You can then highlight and copy the area value and paste it into another document, or use it for your project. And that's how to measure shape area using the Measuregeom tool in AutoCAD. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.